Juicy air fryer chicken breast is a quick and easy way to get the most tender, juicy chicken breast with minimal work. Simple pantry-friendly seasonings in this recipe will make a boring chicken breast one that you're actually going to love and want to make again and again. And I'm going to show you how to make this today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. I'm using 2 chicken breasts and I'm just going to trim a little bit of that fat off. Then using a bowl or a bag, I am using a bag here, I'm going to place those chicken breasts in there. Add to that 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of table salt, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, oregano, and basil. Shake that all together, and then you're gonna let that marinate for at least 30 minutes. It's magically been 30 minutes, but if you wanted to marinate this even longer, up to 8 hours is my recommendation. We're gonna preheat our air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's preheated, you're gonna place that chicken breast right into the air fryer. Work in batches if you need to. Discard the remaining marinade and cook that for 10 minutes. If you wanted to put some vegetables inside that basket with the chicken, do so based off of how long those vegetables need to cook. After 10 minutes, flip those chicken breasts over and then continue to cook those for 10 to 12 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's finished cooking, go ahead and remove it, let it rest for just a few minutes, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.